What is up, everyone? My name is Jonathan, and today we are doing another Adobe Illustrator. Today we are creating the letter I in Adobe Illustrator. As a part of this series, all of these Adobe Illustrator files will be available to download on Christmas Day. Make sure to subscribe for that. Like this video, share this video. Everything you need to know is in the description below. Make sure to leave a comment if this is something you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. And we are in Adobe Illustrator. This is going to be quick and easy, relatively quick and easy. We're just going to start by grabbing the pen tool. Make sure you have a black fill. And then we're just going to click here, hold shift so you have a perfectly straight line. Click down here, hit escape to get out of that. Now go over to your properties. It should be over here in a panel. If you don't have properties, go to window, go down to properties. This actually needs to be a stroke, not a fill, my bad. And then crank this up to like 20. Let's do 20. So now grab your selection tool. Now click on the stroke, holding shift and alt, drag it over. Not quite that far. That should be good. Now hit Control D. This will repeat what you just did. Now I'm just going to go all the way across the screen. You don't have to go that far, but you have to go pretty far, so better safe than sorry. Select all of these. We're going to group these together, and we're going to go to Object, click Expand. So now that we have all of these selected, click, hold shift, and rotate these 45 degrees. Now grab your text tool, and you can make this whatever letter you want. Once you've created your letter, hold shift and drag that up so it's pretty hefty size. Drag this up as big as you want. I'm just going to make it as big as it'll let me. Going to stop there. Now what you want to do is you want to align this so that there's no shape that will be right here. Otherwise it'll be cut out funny, and you don't want that. Well, I don't want that. So that's what I'm paying attention to right here. So there's no shape overlapping this round piece, this curved part, and there wasn't one up here. So we're good to go there. So now right click on your letter, click Create Outline. Now you will no longer be able to edit this as a letter, but it is now a shape. Select both of these objects, go to your Pathfinder panel, might be over here. If it's not here or here, go to Window, go to Pathfinder. Now go over here to Crop. Now right click and ungroup. This way all of these pieces are individual pieces now. And if you have any that do not have 4 points, like this one has 4 points, if there was a little piece here that would only have 3 points, just delete those now because you can't use them. So now I'm going to hold Alt and use the scroll wheel to zoom in. I'm going to hit A to select my direct selection tool. This will allow you to directly select points. Hit Control Shift J. And this will join those 2 points at the average point. Control Shift or Control Alt J. I'm sorry, Control Alt J. Or you can go over here, go up to Object, Path, Average. And if you want, you can go through and delete all of these pieces in the middle, because we separated when you ungrouped them, it created shapes in the between all of these other shapes. Like there's white shapes here as well, not just the black lines. So you can go through and delete all of these. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this. I'm just going to do this really fast. And then at the end, we're going to be deleting all these little leftover pieces anyways, so you can delete them now or you can wait. You can delete them as you go, or we can do it as we go. But I'm going to join all these together and then I'll show you the next step. And now that we are done with that, you could be done if you would like, or you can do this next step And that is by grabbing these two pieces over here on the edge, and you see these two little circles here. You can click and drag those down and make this point a rounded off point. You can do this if you'd like, or don't. You can keep the squared edges, it doesn't matter to me. But I think I like the rounded edges, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do that really fast. So what I did there was I had one end cap that wouldn't conform. It only had one of, I don't even know how to describe it, one of these. It only had one, so it would not round off. So what I did was just created a duplicate of this one, moved it over, stretched it out. It's definitely another one of those situations where not sure why it won't round off all the way. Could be because there's an extra point here. That's probably it. There's a point right here, so we need to delete this point. So now try. There we go, rounded it off. Same thing with this one, had to delete that point. And you can see as soon as you click on it that there's an extra point. So yeah, you can see there's an extra point right there. So select your pen tool, hit the minus key on your keyboard up there next to the number 0, click on that point. Hit A, go back, round that off. So there's a point right there. So hit P, delete that point, go back to A, drag this down. I'm holding spacebar to move around on the artboard, and Alt and the zoom wheel or the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. So there's an extra point on this one. Right here. So pen tool, minus key, delete that point. Zoom back out a little bit. Hit A for your drag selection tool again. Select both those points, round that off. And you're done. That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this, or if you're interested in downloading all of these Adobe Illustrator files for free on Christmas Day. Thank you for watching. God bless, stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.